You know what happens in the world today is we get very angry and upset, isn't it so? You do. You do get upset, you do get angry. But nowadays we can't, it's not like cavemen, we can go and slap someone or hammer someone or do anything to them, however angry we are. So we keep it all in, and it all goes into our system. When you're getting upset, take that anger out, not on that person, but either you do a hand massage, you know, like a real solid hand massage. We take the moisturizer, like we have some moisturizer there, you can take it, or you can take your moisturizer here from here. Give yourself a very strong, we've just finished with that hand massage. You can give yourself a hand massage. These are the oils that we have over here, which are turmeric, moringa, you know, that really help to really calm the skin, to make you feel more in control of yourself. Okay, and to get rid of it. So this will help your combination skin. So there's for the combination skin. Okay, so that we normally call it a normal skin or it's a combination skin. This is for you all because everybody has stress, tension, isn't it? Everybody gets angry. Who doesn't get angry? So at some time everybody is going to get angry and at something. So every day you have to finish your night with a hand massage. You know, a hand massage not only will keep your hands looking good, it is also going to help you to de-stress. Okay? So now we are going to all take a little of this cream. This is called with honey and shea butter body lotion, which is excellent. I will suggest that you all use it, you know, nicely. After that, we are going, now this is your head reflex, okay? Now head, twist, eyes, this is eyes, okay? Eyes, yeah. Ears, give them one tap she wanted to on the ears, okay? And do it with both the hands, okay? Very important. And keep thinking, okay? Now, round and round, okay? Okay. Neck, okay. Catch them up nicely. Okay, again. Okay. Come on, all shake your hands. Yes, shake out your hands. Okay? Yes. Now, okay. Now just take away, if there's anything excess, just wipe it on this part of your hand like this. Okay, good. Okay, now how do you feel?
Better.
Taken out all your tension and stress?
Better.
Yes, this really helps you. It is one of the best stress busters, and it also makes your hands nice. You can, because all the time your hands are either namaste, you're going first, or you're doing shaking, or shaking your hands, or you're talking. So your hands have to be good, okay? This is for a headache. And then we have restless, pardon?
What oil is that? The one for migraine?
Headache, the migraine has lavender, it has basil, it has peppermint, you know, and you'll find the oils written at the back, whatever there is, okay? Then we have Help Me My Kid is Restless. Now that's a fantastic oil. Sometimes the kids are so restless and they are so thick. Just take a little in your hand. This is very, very interesting. Take a little in the palms of your hand, rub a little on your child and just press their hands like this. Rub the oil over here and the palm, and then what? No, even you can do it for anyone. I'll show you about the others. Okay. So this is for child. The middle of the hands like this, rub it on the solar plexus and under the feet. You will find this is going to help you. It's better than having any sleeping pills. Or if you know anyone who has, just use this. This really works. Okay? Then I have an aching foot. When you are doing a lot of work and all the time on heels or walking a lot, try this. Take a little, rub it in your hands, and it's a spray. Spray it on your feet and then just rub your feet like this. Then under the soles, massage it like this, and then just press up each hand, each toe. You will find this is definitely going to feel lighter than the other, and it helps the feet. If you're working a lot and you want to focus, just smell this oil. It really helps. It's got basil, again peppermint, eucalyptus, rosemary, which really helps to open your mind. And you can. It's very good for children. Just apply it on a tissue or just tell them to apply it here and they smell it all the time. That helps a great deal. Okay? You listen to me, you like it, but then you feel, oh, to go, what do I do? So now we've got a little kit and a thing, and I'm also going to show you how to make a perfume. Now, cedarwood. This is what you have in your kit, and if you want to get more, then you can just place the order and then it can come. Now, cedarwood is one wonderful oil. That is number one. You can see it here. Now, cedarwood, I'm going to tell you what I use cedarwood for, so that you all can just jot it down. It's also here quite a lot. I use cedarwood. One thing cedarwood is excellent for is for water retention. If there's water retention, you just put cedarwood in your bath water or in a bucket of water, a few drops in a bucket of water, and just pour it over you. You will find this is going to help your water retention. Or you can mix it with a little oil, rub it under your feet. Okay? But in the water, it works very well. The other thing cedarwood is also very good for is hair that is like, you know, when you scratch your hair and it's like it's oily and it's also got dandruff and flaky. This is good. Put it in oil and then give yourself a massage. Okay? A good head massage. And then you can wash it off, okay? The other thing cedarwood is good for is these puffy eyes. Now, how are we going to use that cedarwood? We're going to put it in a little tea, warm tea, put your cotton in it and just put it on your eyes. Tea, drinking tea. Like, you know, you make warm tea to drink, take the warm tea, don't put milk and sugar, but put a drop of cedarwood. Put a drop of cedarwood, then put your this into it, cotton, squeeze it out and put it on your eyes. You will find straight away your swelling has gone down. This is a trick. Wow. Very good for this thing. Okay? And then massage your face. Okay? Keep it on for some time, for 5 or 10 minutes, and then wipe it off with the damp cotton. This, and then put your moisturizer on. For 5 or 10 minutes. This is very good for lines, wrinkles, crepey throat. You know, very often you may have your face may look nice, but your throat is crepey, so use this. You have these little lines around your eyes, use it there. Okay? So this is really good. Every household has to have one oil. Everyone has to have lavender. Now, lavender is something that you will have in your this thing, because if you burn yourself, just take the lavender and apply it straight on the hands. Okay? If there are any scars, take lavender and you can apply it on your scars. Okay? If there's any kind, so if just say you hurt yourself or something, take lavender and just apply it. Sunburn, lavender with aloe vera gel, or lavender if you don't have aloe vera gel, lavender water with ice. Mix them together and just apply it all over the sunburn. These are beautiful, beautiful oils. Lemon is good for the pH of the stomach, but then if you have lemon juice, it is better, just squeeze your lemon. And lemon is a very fresh and antiseptic oil. So you can use it in your diffuser, in your offices, in your home. If there's any viral going around, you will find that this is going to help to keep it away. It could be used through your AC ducts, because it has a very fresh, not only the smell, but it has these antibacterial properties. Lang Lang is a wonderful oil, and Lang Lang really helps to pep up a person, you know, to make them, it's an aphrodisiac also, very strong aphrodisiac, helps to pep the person up, you know, makes them feel good. It's excellent for older people, so you can just apply it and, you know, use it. It's excellent for high blood pressure. Very good for high blood pressure. Use it in the oil and just apply it on the top of the head. Use it in a bucket, bowl of water, and soak your feet in it. Have a bath in it. It definitely helps to calm your pressure down. So, and the one thing I love using it for is hair. It smells delicious. It really smells, I shouldn't say delicious, I should say sexy. Okay? And